Boat assembly day, let's get this rocking and rolling. Well, in 2 hours, a lot of splicing and crimping has happened. He's working on the boat, putting it back together, and I am eating. This AIS stuff is really complicated. So basically we have to connect a whole bunch of different colored wires on the GPS plotter, which is that big thing, to these colored wires here for it to make sense. And they have to go to this, so we have to put this together with that, and then those colored wires there to the other end of this. For it to make sense, it's so complicated. That. I haven't been able to help a lot so far today because a lot of what he's doing, hooking up all different colored wires, is way beyond my grade level right now. He did some stuff in the aft berth, hooking up a few things, crimping wires together and stuff like that. It's starting to look cleaned up in here, at least this part. It's just this wiring is taking so long. 4 o'clock, quick update. We got a lot of the wires in the instrument panel hooked up. Progress, but slow going.